So now let's see something called placeholder text. So especially when you're working with designing, there may be times when you don't have any contents to fill up your document. So in order to do that, you can simply use a placeholder text from inside InCopy. And to do that, you can simply go on to the type section right here. And then over here at the bottom, you can see that there's an option called fill with placeholder text. So simply click on this. And what happens is that you have the placeholder text. So now you can work around with something like formatting right here. You can increase the font size and see how everything actually looks like, just like this. So you can work around, focus more on the design, and when you have the text, you can simply replace it out right here. So whenever you work with placeholder text, let's say for example, you filled up some of the portion like this, you can simply go over here on to the type and then click on fill with placeholder text. So what happens is that it'll just fill out the rest of the document with the placeholder text. So even if you have only certain text, you can still use it out. Another thing that you can do is work around with InDesign documents as well. So let's say, for example, you have something like an InDesign document right here, and you want to fill it out with placeholder text. So you can simply edit this out right here. So let me just delete this. Let me just delete this out as well. That is, edit the story right here and edit the story. So what I can do is I can go around here. I can go on to placeholder text, type, and fill with placeholder text. And you can see that that has been filled out just like that. I can simply go over here and click on fill with placeholder text and go around fill with placeholder text. So what that does is it completes out the entire document just like that and gives you something to work with, and you know how it will turn out in the final design. So that is how you can use the placeholder text inside of Adobe InCopy. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.